tell me we're coming.
Yeah, I didn't.
Missed you.
I missed you too. Yeah, it's nice to see your face again. Look at you.
Let me take this inside for you.
All right. And can you please explain what is written on your tab?
Your wife is cheating on you.
How do you mean my wife is cheating on me?
Your wife is cheating on you with your best friend.
No, she can't do that.
Oh.
My wife cheated on me.
You're still vouching for her?
Yes, I will.
I have evidence.
What evidence? Let me see your evidence.
Wait.
Let's see your evidence. What? How did you get this?
I'm at home now. Why won't I get it? Look at it.
That's enough. That's enough. Please keep that, okay? Keep it for me.
No problem.
Yeah, he just came in now. No, I've not told him anything yet. Okay, are you there now? Okay, just give me a moment, I'm coming. Yeah, bye. Babe, why are you standing here?
Okay.
Anyway, I want to step out a bit, so I'll be right back. Don't miss me so much, okay?
You see what I told you?
I see. It's all good. In my own presence, and she still wants to go meet a man.
Yeah, so even when you're back.
Okay, that's fine. I know what to do.
All right.
You know, you do me a favor now. You go inside. Go check for the best of your clothes. Put it on.
Okay.
Let's have some fun and vibe, you know, and see how it goes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Love you for infinity.
Taste of vegan.
I just got it.
What's happening here? Like, what's going on here? Babe!
What's happening now?
What's the meaning of this?
Well, this is not your house now. What is happening here? Talk now.
And so?
Come on now. It's not right.
You better start explaining what's happening here.
Explaining what? Huh? Explaining what exactly? Oh, you think I don't know you're pregnant? And you're pregnant for my friend at that? Baba, calm down. Don't tell me. What's the meaning of that? I heard everything you were saying inside. When I was standing at the door there before you went out to meet him again.
What did you hear?
I heard everything that you're pregnant and how you guys are planning on going on honeymoon and everything. How do you mean the child is mine?
Oh my good God.
I saw everything. I got proof on her phone.
Prove on her phone.
Yes.
Your wife is pregnant. And I asked her not to tell you till you get back. What is it now?
Are you serious about this?
Yes. I found out 1 week after you left that I was already pregnant. And I decided to keep it as a surprise for you. And this is how you pay me back.
And you, what will you gain by spoiling our marriage?
I've been eyeing him since now.
Oh my goodness.
See, if you say that again, I will crush you. Like I will pound you. Come on, leave here. Leave here.
Stay. Come on, go. This kind of thing. Leave. Come on, go.
Really?
Look at you. You just jump into conclusion. At least wait for your wife. Or you call me and ask what is happening. Anyways, this thing, surprise, you've spoiled it already, sir.
She said we can't.
No, babe,
don't.
Sissy, look, I am sorry. I'm sorry, please come.
Just
Please
just
come.
stop,
I'm
okay?
sorry.
Stop.
I'm sorry,
Just
like,
stop it.
I got jealous.
You should have asked me.
Yeah, because she got proof on her phone and I was like, no, now.
What
Why would... I saw you guys all getting on her phone and all that. I thought...
That was the day she told me.
Even as at that, you picked a stranger words over mine.
Yeah, my bad. And I'm very, very sorry. Like,
It's fine.
how can I make it up to you? I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry.
Anyway, you ruined the surprise. Here you go.
Congratulations.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Congratulations.